Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM card into this phone. For this you will need a SIM ejector. They come provided with the device somewhere in the box between paperwork, but you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now the next thing you will need to do is take off the cover if you have one on. Obviously I do, so I'm gonna take it off. And the tray is located at the bottom of the phone. So as you can see right over here, part of the tray you'll have this tiny little insert pin. So using your little tool, push it in and the tray will come out. There we go. And when you take out the tray, you'll see that you have space for two different SIM cards on either side. You can occupy either one of those sides, both of them at the same time, or just one. It doesn't really matter which one. Place the card with the chip facing outwards, as you can see, and then insert it back into your phone. Once you pop it back in your phone, it should start working immediately, so there we go. And there we go. Verifying pin, at least I had one, so I needed to verify it. Once you do so, the card will be working just fine. And this is how you insert it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.